The job system is a way of defining how the NPCs behave within their given job. There are a total of 5 different node types within this, starting with the first node, which is job. This is where you define the name of the job. You can give a description, which allows you to understand more of what the job's about. You can select whether they use a global character pool, so they can use any character model, or you can have it so they have specific ones for their particular job. The required check-in field is defining whether they need to head to their workplace and check in before completing their tasks and duties, or if they can go straight to doing a duty. This might make sense in certain job roles. The global work hours, these are the default settings of their work time. Each workplace can have their own start and end times, but the global work hours is the default one it will use if the local work hours are not in use. And then there's a waiting, which will be gone over in a different video. Moving on down, the duty is defined as being a high level concept of something they are responsible for or have to achieve within their job. This can be many things. A task is a set of actions required to achieve this duty. So it's a lower level form of duty, but lots of tasks should make up a duty. Moving down again, the method node is a way of completing a specific task, and it should finish and start in the same position as all other methods do. So, for example, a task could be to go fishing. You could have multiple methods which would be related to that task. One method could be going fishing via boat, so the end result should be they catch a fish. They could also go fishing in a lake, and that would be a different means of achieving the same task, but the way they go about doing those could be quite different. So with the boat one, they would have to board the boat, sail the boat out, and then go fishing. As with the one in the lake, they would just have to walk to that place in the lake and fish there. An action is globally used throughout all systems. The action is the actual doing of the action. So there are multiple different types of actions, which will be gone over at a later date. Related to workplace is item ownership. So you can say whether they use the work stuff or their workplace equipment or some other ones.